Hello, tech lovers! Looking for the best smartwatch in 2025? Whether you are all about fitness, want to stay connected on the go, or simply want something that looks great on your wrist, we have got you covered. After testing a bunch of new wearables this year, we have rounded up the top picks from different lifestyles and budget. So let's jump right in. Apple Watch SE2, best for iPhone users on the budget. If you are an iPhone user and want an affordable Apple Watch that still covers the essentials, the Apple Watch SE2 is a fantastic choice. It's not the most advanced model out there, but it's nailed the basics. Fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, notifications, GPS, and even crash detections, all powered by the same chips as the Series 8. Sure, you want to get the always-on display or advanced health features like ECG or blood oxygen tracking. But for most people, especially first-time smartwatch buyers, it delivers more than enough. It's lightweight, super responsive, and blends smoothly into the Apple ecosystem. The battery life holds up well for a full day use, and it looks clean and modern on the wrist. If you want Apple level performance without the ultra level price, this is the sweet spot. Garmin Venus SQ2, best for fitness and battery. Next up is one for the fitness focused crowd, the Garmin Venus SQ2. This one builds with healthy and activity in mind, and it does not disappoint. It's got a bright AMOLED screen, a comfortable scale designed for better screen readability, and it's packed with workout tracking tools. It tracks everything from heart rate and sleep to stress, steps, and even hydration. Where it really shines is battery life. It can go up to 9 days between charges with light use. That's far beyond most smartwatches in this price range. Plus, it supports Garmin Pay, weather updates, and calendar notifications, so it's not just about workouts. If you're looking for a reliable fitness for a smartwatch that does not need a daily charge, the Venus SQ2 is easily on the best values out there. Apple Watch Ultra 2, best overall smartwatch. So now, if you are after the absolute top tier smartwatch and you already in the Apple world, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is still the most complete package in 2025. This watch is built like a tank, titanium casing, insane 3000 nit brightness display, and a powerful new chip with gesture controls like double tap. It even functions as a dive computer with special apps, and the GPS accuracy is excellent for outdoor adventures. Battery life has improved, though it's still not class leading, but for watch this is powerful and feature rich. It's impressive. The only downside, it's a big and pricey. But if you want the best of the best, this is it. Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, best for Samsung users. If you are on a team Samsung, then the Galaxy Watch Ultra is the brand biggest and the boldest smartwatch yet. It has a large and bright AMOLED display, a unique, rugged design, and features like advanced body composition analysis and durable titanium housing. It's a built for the outdoor and offers solid battery life. You will get the most of it paired with a Samsung phone. Especially SmartThing integration, however, it's not ideal for iPhone users. There is no support there. Pixel Watch 3, best for Pixel fans. The Pixel Watch 3 continues Google's clean and stylish approach to smartwatch. It's sleek, now available in larger size, and runs Wear OS with deep Google App support. It's perfect if you are using a Pixel or another Android device. Battery life has improved this year, up to 36 hours with battery saver on. And while the design is minimal, it looks sharp and on any wrist. OnePlus Watch 3, best battery on a Wear OS watch. And finally, we have the OnePlus Watch 3, probably the best battery performer in the Wear OS world. It claims up to 5 days of battery life, which we found to be pretty realistic in daily life. It's got a bold, chunky design with a vibrant AMOLED screen and a rotating crown. If you want the full Google experience, long battery life, and a lower price than most competitors, the OnePlus Watch 3 is a solid pick. So whether you are into the fitness, deep into an ecosystem like Apple or Samsung, or just want great battery life, there's a perfect smartwatch for you this year. So let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. And if you are planning to buy one soon, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartwatches reviews. See you again in the next one.